Brother, thank you so much for doing what you guys do, man. Where are you guys from? Ontario. Yeah. I'm from Brampton, homie. Well, I lived there for 18 years. Now, Edmonton. Nice. I'm a burden now. All right. There you go. That's the crew right there, man. We are the Expendables right now.
Another day.
That's another day, man. Hey, shout out to the Canadian Army. Thank you for doing what you guys do. Keep doing it up. I got 70 followers. I hope they like this. Take it easy, bro. Yeah, take it easy, man. These are sick vehicles right there, man. I'll drive one of those any day.